world's increasing demand for starch has helped the industry mature and develop even further. In order to meet these new market demands for modified starch, Larsen Sweden has developed state-of-the-art technologies and entire production lines for manufacturers of modified starch.
It is important to develop new technologies because the demands from authorities has increased and also from the end user of modified starch. There are increased demands for minimizing the impact on polluting the wastewater and also for polluting the air. The end users, they like to have modified starches with less usage of chemicals, and this is very important for us now to minimize this impact. The market has two options. They can go with a consultant, a specialist from the starch industry, or they can go with us. But going with us means less time to market. We do both detailed engineering, basic engineering, and we can minimize the time to market, and this is very important for our clients. And also we can give guarantees. Guarantees you never get from a consultant, but including in our machines and our technology we add guarantee of yield, quality and capacity, and this is very rare.
Larsen Sweden is working close together with the Danish company International Starch Institute, and they are very experienced in setting up process lines for sweeteners like glucose, fructose and maltose.
For the past 40 years, the Larsen family has worked diligently to develop key equipment for native starch, and now also modified starch processing, in addition to turnkey deliveries covering everything from reception of raw material to packing and taking care of the byproducts.